What's up, guys? Today I was just gonna make a little vlog about my chickens and ducks. So that's one of the ducks, and then this one is Peaches, and this one is Arnold, I think. And then my chickens are in there. The black one is, wait, you probably can't see it. In the end, the black one is named Lucy, and that one is named, I don't know, I didn't name it yet. And that one in the middle, we don't know. We didn't name it. That one's mine, the one in the front, the middle is mine, and the other one is black. The other one that's black is my brother, so. And I'm showing you my goat. Looks interested. So yeah, that's the animals, and there's 3 horses. I'm gonna be having this one and those 2. I think the other one's out in the field. Those 2 are my sisters. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends. And the thing in the comment is, the question in the comment is, what is your favorite farm animal? So in the comments, leave your favorite farm animal, and peace out.